My teeth moving. Oh my god, I've been talking for 8 damn minutes. They hurt so bad. Morning, guys. Today is Wednesday. It's actually been a while since I've done a video. I think it's been like a month, but I'm gonna go ahead and dye my hair. So I'm gonna go buy developer right now to mix the hair dye later on. I'm gonna dye it black. As you guys can see, it's black, but actually let the sun hit a little bit and it looks red, brown. Look at that. So we're gonna make it very, very dark today. We're gonna go grocery shopping. I made coffee. I'm gonna go return, and I'm also gonna go return this dress that I got from Target. I didn't like how it fit, so I'm gonna end up returning this. Why is there, every time I turn on the camera or I film in the car, I see cats, but when I come outside, I never see cats. Okay, so I'm gonna return this first. I'm gonna go buy the developer, and I have to go to the bank, and then the last thing I'm gonna do is go to the grocery store. And I also want to give you guys an update on my braces. So I don't know if I should do that while I'm driving, but the last video you guys saw, I got spring coils on the bottom, and the spring coils were to separate my bottom teeth and make a gap. Now I haven't done an update because nothing happened after that video. I didn't know that the girl, well, I did know, not in the moment, but I think like 2 weeks after, I felt that the girl didn't activate the coils properly because my teeth were not moving at all. I had that treatment for 8 weeks. So for 8 weeks, instead of my teeth moving and separating and making a gap in the bottom, they never did that. So to me, it was like a waste of 8 weeks because the coil was very loose by the 2nd week. And I felt that, and when I got there, they were like, oh, your coil's not activated properly. It was moving, and it's not supposed to move. It's supposed to be so tight that it's constantly pressing your teeth apart or like away from each other, so it makes a gap. I don't know. And I noticed that there wasn't a gap the first 4 weeks, and then there wasn't a gap the next 4 weeks. So I never made an update because nothing was happening with my teeth, right? So then I went back June 16th. It was a Wednesday, and it was a few days before Miguel's birthday. I went back. They noticed that the coils were not activated, and he said, you're right, they're very loose, you don't have a gap in the bottom teeth. And he said, but we're gonna put chains on you. So I got chains. If you've had braces, or if you have braces right now, you know what chains mean, and they hurt so bad. But anyways, so I got chains. Let me show you guys. Okay, so on the top, I don't know if you guys are focused, but these are the chains. And then on the bottom, I have a gap, which makes me very happy because that means that whatever they did on the bottom worked, and now he's gonna shift my teeth. I have a gap. You guys see that here? It's just exciting. And I have the coils here. So he's trying to separate them, and he's gonna be able to move them and make the perfect arc in the bottom. So you guys see, and the chains hurt so bad. All my gums on top for the 3rd day were hurting so bad. But honestly, I like to see the progress. I know for some of you guys it probably looks weird. It probably looks ugly or just different, but to me, I only see the way my teeth used to look before, and this is progress. And look at the chains. No, it hurt horrible. So with this gap, that's a good indicator. I know they're gonna be happy when I go back. But the good thing is that he said that by the end of the year they're gonna take off the braces, which that's also exciting, because I've been feeling that, you know, not only COVID, but then those 8 weeks that I just pretty much missed because nothing was happening, it delays everything. But he said by the end of the year my braces should be off, which makes me excited because now I have a date to my braces, and I turned 30 this year, so I want my braces off before December. Thank God my birthday's in December, and I'm gonna talk to them and I'm gonna be like, what do you guys think? December, are they still gonna be on here? Because I don't have a problem with them, but I would much rather not have braces for my birthday because I want to do something fun this year. So yeah, that's the update on my braces. Chains heard, and I have a gap, pretty much. So let me go to Target. Let's go ahead and run some errands because I have to dye my hair. I literally explained that in 10 minutes. I don't know how. I just talk too much. I just make long stories. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a little. So I changed my shirt. I put it on backwards. If you guys can see, it has hair dye from last time. I save the shirt all the time, but I put them on backwards for the hair dye, and then I wash them, and I always save them for my hair dye moments. I'm gonna get my hair up very quick. I also just cut my hair last week, I think. Yeah, last Wednesday. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a Vaseline, just regular Vaseline, all around my hairline and my ears so they don't get stained. So I'm gonna get a big chunk and I'm gonna put it in the back of my hand, and with both. I'm gonna add 6 ounces of developer, and I'm using the developer 20, which I think I should have used 10 so I could get it a little darker. I don't know, but okay. So this is 6 ounces of developer, all of it in here, all the 3 ounces, and then I'm gonna start dyeing the bottom, trying not to make a mess. I always get my roots first and then I make my way down. I don't know why it feels like it has a lot of developer, but it says 6 ounces there. So I did 6 ounces of developer, and then going to scrub everything with my fingers, and I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna speed the rest of my head just because I have a lot of hair, so I'm gonna speed this part up and I'll show you guys the end results. I took off one glove, okay, so I'm done. Look at, I'm all stained. The point was not to get dirty, and honestly, I don't know, it's so hard when you're doing it on your own. So I'm gonna get my hair up. I'm gonna use this hand. Oh well, it comes off. And I'm gonna get my hair up. With the smallest clip in the world. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this on for 45 minutes, and I'm gonna put a bag over it. My hand, I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna put a bag over it so I can create some heat and kind of clean this up. Guys, I made a mess a mess. I'm gonna show you guys the after me doing my makeup, how I left it. Let me take you guys out of here. Look at this. That is a mess. I had just cleaned it. I stained the toilet too, so I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna add Clorox. Oh my god, there's some on the floor. Let me clean that. Let me clean this. I'll show you guys after, once I clean it. I also forgot to tell you guys that I didn't even use all of it. Usually when I buy hair dye from Sally's, I use all of it. Look at this. There's still probably like 1.5 ounces here, or probably 2 ounces. So I would say just to use 4 ounces of the hair dye if you buy the exact same hair dye, because I have a lot of hair and I didn't finish this. That's why I bought 2 containers, but I never checked how many ounces the hair dye that I do use comes with. So this one comes with 6 ounces, and look, this is a lot of hair dye that I have to throw away, which makes me sad. But then I have a whole container, I have a whole new hair dye tube that I will be able to use if I have to do touch-ups. So I could do like 2 ounces per touch-up or something, because it comes with a lot of hair dye. So just an FYI, do little by little. Hey guys, it's the next day. I wanted to show you guys how my hair ended up after the dye. I think it looks super dark and shiny. It gives the hair some shine, which I really like. This is the hair dye that I ended up using. I don't think I showed you guys, but it's satin. It's called Satin Ultra Vivid Fashion Colors. You can find this on Amazon or Walmart, and I got 1N in the color black. Definitely recommend. It was so easy to use at home. I've been up and down all morning. I just got time to finish off the video right now. So if my makeup and my hair look all over the place, it's because I've been up and running all over the place. But I just wanted to show you guys how black it looks. It looks super nice. I wanted to wait until I was able to blow dry my hair to show you guys. Honestly, it was so easy to wash off, and it feels really healthy after using it. It doesn't feel dry or anything like that, which I definitely recommend. But that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!